Welcome back to our channel, pet enthusiasts. Today, we have a very special unboxing episode for you, filled with excitement and surprises. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll be showcasing the newest additions to our incredible boa stock collection. Get ready to embark on this adventure with us and witness the beauty of these magnificent creatures. Unboxing the boa stock. Now, let's jump right into the unboxing process and unveil these incredible surprises. A sight to behold. Ladies and gentlemen, our first box has arrived. As I open it, I can already feel the anticipation rising. Let's see what we have here. And voila! Look at this beauty, an albino Colombian rainbow boa. The vibrant colors and unique pattern make it truly mesmerizing. Just look at that reddish-pink hue. This addition is certainly a sight to behold. Isn't it stunning? I'm sure this one will steal the hearts of many snake enthusiasts out there. The Jungle Explorer. Moving on, let's now reveal what awaits us in the second box. The excitement is building up. Boom! Behold the jungle carpet python. Look at those intricate markings resembling the lush tropical foliage of the jungle. This species is known for its beauty and slender build, which allows them to be stealthy navigators of the trees. Such a magnificent creature. The jungle carpet python is a true symbol of the wonders nature has to offer. The golden surprise. Get ready for another surprise. Box number 3 holds something truly remarkable, which I can't wait to share with you. Look here. It's a golden child dwarf boa. This juvenile boa exhibits an exceptional golden hue, making it an extraordinary addition to our boa stock. Isn't it fascinating how these animals can showcase such unique colors? I'm sure this one will quickly become a crowd favorite. The golden child dwarf boa is truly a treasure worth cherishing. A patterned masterpiece. As we open the fourth box, get ready to witness a masterpiece of nature's design. I can hardly contain my excitement. Wow! Look at this extraordinary designer morph, the Hypo Jungle Het VPIT Plus Boa. The bold patterns and captivating colors of this exquisite boa are absolutely breathtaking. Each marking tells a unique story, making it a true work of art. It's hard to believe the variety that exists within boa species. This Hypo Jungle Het VPIT Plus Boa is a remarkable representation of the wonders of nature. The ultimate surprise. Finally, we have arrived at our last box, which promises the ultimate surprise. Get ready for something truly extraordinary. Ta-da! Feast your eyes on this remarkable albino Sonoran desert boa. Just look at those pale scales, accentuated by the ruby red eyes. This species showcases a unique blend of beauty and rarity that seems almost ethereal. You've witnessed an unboxing like no other, and this incredible albino Sonoran desert boa is the perfect grand finale. It's been an unforgettable journey, exploring the variety and uniqueness of these remarkable creatures. We hope you enjoyed this thrilling unboxing adventure as much as we did. Our boa stock collection continues to grow, allowing us to appreciate the diversity and sheer beauty of these magnificent animals. Stay tuned for more exciting content exploring the world of exotic pets. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an unboxing surprise again. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep loving these incredible creatures. See you soon.